Other fix: USB drive not recognized. So let's get started. First of all, force your USB drivers to reinstall. Right click the Start button and click on the Device Manager. Then expand Portable Devices. Right click your USB device, then select Uninstall Device. Then reconnect your device to your computer so the drivers can reinstall. Once your device is connected again, Windows will force the drivers to reinstall. Now the second fix is to disable the USB selective suspend settings. All you have to do is click the Start button and search Edit Power Plan, then select the first result. Now click on the Change Advanced Power Settings option available there. Now expand USB settings and then USB selective suspend settings and change these settings to disabled and click Apply. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.